Something a bit different. I'm making a light fitting for my lady friend or my girlfriend, and I need to drill a hole in this tea light stand. So I'm hopefully this is going to work, or I'm not going to explode anything. Well, here goes. A bit of water. It says it's water cooled. It seems to be cutting. Hopefully this will go. Oh, it felt like it went through. And a perfect 38mm hole for a light fitting. I will show you the finished thing a bit later, hopefully. That's a squeaky bum time that was. Right, round 2. A lovely mug from RHS Wisley. I'm going to try and do exactly the same as I did with the other part. That's quite secure. Bit of water. Put some safety glasses on. And here we go. This one doesn't appear to be cutting as well as the last. Changing notes. Woo-hoo! We've been lucky on 2 out of 2. Look at that. I can't believe I got that lucky. Right, no more cutting with the diamond drill today. You just got to build it and hang it. I'll do that in the next bit. And here we have the completed light fitting. The metal hanging frame with the cactus in it, I'd already chopped up from a fitting I'd bought, modified, added that. All the rest of the other bits I tracked down from various other places. Oh, I'm very pleased with it. I definitely should get some brownie points for building this. As we know, brownie points are very fickle things, and they go as quick as they arrive. Still, very pleased with it. Bye for now.